How to fix Instagram can't follow in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so to fix this problem it's actually very easy. Just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, enable the Wi-Fi. If it's disabled, go back, click on the airplane mode, enable it and disable it again. Go back, click on the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it like this. Click on the notifications management. Scroll down. Click on more settings. It will take you directly to the Instagram push notifications option. Make sure that this option is disabled. If it's enabled, then disable it. Go back. Go back to Instagram. Click on force stop now. Restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.